Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to switch Braille keyboard layout. We have a few options. I will show you where to find them. So settings first. Then we need to go to system and update menu. Next, keyboard and input method. Then manage keyboards, and here we have TalkBack Braille keyboard. We can enable it or disable it using the switch here, and when we tap the option, we have the layout here. So adapt to how you hold the device is selected right here by default. So we have adapt option here. We can have screen away mode, and we can also have the tabletop mode. So we have three options here. I will leave it at the adapt option, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you.